Hey you guys, it's TheJinzo. I'm back with a video for you guys today. I was going to do a video on the best actresses. And I know I've been promising you guys that video forever, and I promise it's coming. However, I'm currently having internet issues. For you guys who don't know, I live in a trailer in the middle of the woods. I literally look out my window and it's nothing but woods outside. And metal and the trees and whatnot block the signal, making it very difficult, even by the window, to have, because my computer is, hold on, because my computer is right next to the window. Even, next to the window, my internet sucks. Due to it being woods and whatnot. I'm planning on fixing this issue soon. I'm going to get a little flash drive that has internet on it. And that way the signal won't be blocked because it'll be on there and it'll be right on the computer, you know what I mean? So it will fix my internet issues and I will be having a lot better videos. For the time being, I have to do this one on my phone due to the internet issues. So I'm, this is explaining why I probably should be doing something else other than this explaining. I could have just posted it, I suppose, but, I do videos. So, I guess I will respond to a video. What's his name did? DC's. Not calling you out on anything, dude. Love your videos, you're great. It's not even a response to him, just the idea, I guess. My controversial opinions, I guess. My top 5, because I can't really think of 10 off the top of my head. 1, Maxie should stay at fucking 3. Maxie should go to 3. And the reason is that, the FTKs, OTKs, insane fields would be a lot slower if Maxie was in the game, because now, they can still go off, but you can draw a hand trap easier, and, or out it easier in general, because now you have more cards in your hand. So, that's one opinion. 2, Stardust Dragon shouldn't be banned. And I say that, 1, because he's a boss monster, which should mean he's immune. And I get that none of the boss monsters were really that good for the most part. Stardust Dragon obviously being the exception to that rule. And people yelled back then that it should be banned, but it never was. And now look at it. No one plays it. Same thing happened to Firewall, but no, if Maxie goes back to 3, then it stops stuff like that a lot more, I guess. So, I say it should stay at 1. 2, it creates way too many loops with 2 of them. But with 1, it won't be too much of a problem with Maxie legal. 3, this is a crazy one. Now, the game needs to get faster. If the game stays the same speed for too long, 1, it'll get boring. 2, if everything's at the same power level, then there's no incentive on buying new decks, new product, which means the game will die out. Yeah. Crazy, but it's just not even an opinion, it's fucking fact at this point. 4, Link Summoning wasn't meant to slow down the game. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Link Summoning wasn't meant to slow down the game, nor did it slow down the game, because that's not what it was intended to do. It was intended just to be a new mechanic. People speculate too much because they hate the speed, so their brain processes as, hey, maybe that's what Konami's trying to do. No, it's not. 5, and the final one, and this is the craziest one of all, the balance is about fucking money. Not about making the game fair. If you look at the ban list and when stuff comes off the ban list, it's typically around the time that a product comes out or a card goes on the list about the same time the product comes out, that's the same kind of thing. You know, like, they will use the list to sell products. Excuse me, I apologize. Card destruction. That's definitely not a fair card, but it's off the list at 1. Why, I wonder? Oh, I know. Because Danger Dark Worlds. Duel. It's just to promote that deck. That's what the list is for. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I apologize for the short video, and I'm hoping tomorrow that my internet will be back to normal. I apologize for the late video as well. Today, day after Thanksgiving here in America. And as I don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but I do follow the traditions, I guess. And the day after, typically, you set the tree up, which is what we did. We set the holiday tree up today. So, we've been busy all day doing that, and went on a walk with my wife and whatnot, so. Anyway, I'll get you guys later. TheJinzo, sign out. Bye.